it, we'll do it live. Let's go. What's up, everybody? It's Crypto. Let's go. Emergency alert. Emergency stock alert. No, I'm kidding. Of course. All right, All right, we got one stock here. We got to talk about AYTU Biotech. No idea what they do. Actually, they have some ADHD stuff. I don't even know. It's all the trigger word stuff. Let me see. I should have had this up. I should just go here, to be honest. Let's see. $25 million market cap. 30 now. Went up a little bit. Actually, I don't even care what they do. It's a shitty company, I can tell you that much. But we got some action here, possible action. I'm more like lower time frames, but I just want to show this real quick. I mean, it doesn't look that great on the monthly, but look how the curve on. See, that's scooping up. That's pretty bullish there. We're above the zero line, scooping up. So this is a real one here. I know it kind of doesn't look that great on the monthly here, but it does. I think, or you could lose all your money. Who knows? No, we're looking good there. I'll put the CMF up there. Those are the only two I really look at up for this time level, which is fine. It's fine. Let's see if we have a break here soon. Pretty interesting. All right, the weekly. I mean, that's not great, but it's not that big of a deal. What I want to have here, I don't think I did much. Honestly, it's not really the weekly. We're gonna go lower, but you do have some sort of trend break where you are hitting here, So you could go a little lower here, a little more. But even so, you're kind of breaking there no matter what. And I actually kind of like this new one. This gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then breaking on the 14th. I really like the number 17 for these. For some reason, 17 comes up a lot. Let's look at that more. 17. You probably could. That's interesting. I'm going to have to research. 17 seems to be a number for me sometimes in these downtrends. I see it in the Bitcoin versus alts charts a lot of times. Because it's always going down. So sometimes it'll hit it 17 times and then break. But all right, that's not what I want to talk about today. So I'm just seeing this. It's just building the case. It's like each one of these maybe isn't. If it was just one thing, it might not be. See, that's interesting. That big of a deal, but just the charts aligning and possibly, any way you move this thing out, I think you got some sort of a breakout in the process. So we'll see. And we're getting some confirmation. So that's what I'm seeing. That's okay, yeah. Boosted SAR, good sign. In that breakout candle too. Funny how those things happen. All right, let's go to the daily, which is what I like the most. So we have these. The first one, the monthly, you kind of just have a scoop. Here you have a break of a declining trend line, and when we go to the daily, we're going to see more horizontal. I mean, I have this still up here, but I'm actually going to delete that. And we're going to look at the horizontal break that we had today. this I was just thinking about this earlier. This is why I don't like to trade stocks. Is I just don't like gaps. I can trade a crypto and not have to worry about gaps. So that's a thing. I mean, I think it's fine. Well, I can show you ExxonMobil was interesting today, filled the gap and then went higher, which I love. This one didn't. So I'm not like mega uber bullish on this one. Plus, it's I mean it's a shitty company. It's a biotech. I mean we're gambling here. Let's be real. ExxonMobil, not so much. See, I kind of love that. I mean, I would have loved it to go way higher too, kind of, but it came filled the gap, so we don't have to worry about that. That now I think it's going higher, and I would be concerned if it went under 122. I don't think that happened. We'll see how that happens. It's not a big deal. Anyway, we're talking about the shitty biotech today. That's what we're talking about right now, which has massive potential. But anyway, so yeah, there's my rant against gaps. But on the flip side, we closed above these numbers I wanted to see. It's just not the candle I wanted to see. I wanted to see this price level. I would have loved to just seen a nice green candle that went, you know, to one to 295 and then close right here. So, but anyway, this I really wanted us to break and close above this, which it did. It closed above this one back in over a year ago. Oops. As you can see the kind of the price line. And I mean the last day we had a higher close was there's it was July 8th, 2024. So a year and a half ago, right? Let's check. I want to see how many days that is. How many bars? It's gonna be hard to find in there. Okay. So about 375, 70. Oh, it's because it's a stock. I was like, what? I was like thinking it's like a year and a half. Okay, so it's 370 bars. That's another reason I don't like it. Anyway, no, I'm gonna stop. But anyway, this is very interesting to me. I think there's massive upside potential here because it's such a small market cap. But also, I mean, any way you kind of play this thing, cup handle. I mean, it does matter where you want to move it. Let's take this area right here, in between there and the bottom. Take it there. We'll measure that. Let's see, and we'll call this the break. Let's see where we go. You ready for the measurement? Let's see. So about a buck six $1.60. So I'm thinking this has a first target of about a buck 440. So we'll call 440. Um, that's my first target. There's some possible there, and then maybe higher, probably higher. So yeah, higher. So 440 guaranteed next month. Just kidding. No, 440 is our target, initial target. Take half and then let the rest run. That's financial advice. Stick it to the bank. All right, here you go. AYTU Pharma. Let's go.